absolutely love it. I paid $28,000 for this, and out the door was $31,000 and change with tax and all the other fees. Insurance, I ended up getting full coverage through, I think it's Geico. Full coverage for this, it's like shy of $800. $500 deductible. I've got personal injury on it. It's pretty much full coverage. Now, I did try Dairyland. They were $2,000. I tried, who else did I try? Harley Davidson. You know, when I started applying through the Harley Davidson, it said $700. And then when I clicked the final, it jumped up to like $1,500. So, you know, Geico's not cheap anymore. So I think I'm pretty covered with this. Certainly not going to file a claim for that. I'm actually recording this with my Meta glasses. So if you see it getting a little jumpy or my head turning, it's because I'm recording with my sunglasses. And you might not see this video if the audio comes out that bad, because I do got a lot of wind. It's a windy day. Let's lower the screen. And even that much more wind. But what a beautiful day. That's a cool looking vet. And I'm going to turn my music up now, and we will see you guys soon. And I'm going to tell you, this is the best motorcycle I've ever had, ever. I have a BMW DCT. I love that too, but not as much as this. So I just put on these highway pegs. Of course, I'm going to be paying attention to where I'm driving before I turn my head. I'm going to be using my Meta glasses. That's what I'm recording on right now. So I put this cup holder on. This bike is absolutely stunning. This bike is absolutely stunning. So much fun to ride this bike. It's rather warm here in New Jersey, so I am just wearing a t-shirt. I like to wear protective gear when I'm riding. I got jeans on though. No excuse for proper riding etiquette. Yeah, I know, I see that blinking also. I need air in my tire, it looks like. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Idiot Goldwinger back. And I wanted to just share more light on how much of an idiot I am by having my coffee went over, hit a bump, and my coffee just went all over. So yes, the Idiot Goldwinger keeps up with his idiot persona. Of course, Xena the Princess Warrior is not with us this morning. I have to make a few errands. So yes, join the Idiot Goldwinger Club by subscribing. Just subscribe. What's the big deal? Here's where I gotta go, right here. Boom. Boom. Let's find a spot to park this baby girl. Okay. So, cover your coffee cup. And when you make a stop, plan on both feet hitting the ground. Make a stop. Unless you know for certain you don't have to stop, which you really don't. If you plan on stopping, putting both feet down, you're in great shape. Anyway, I'm recording this off my Meta glasses right now, guys. No GoPro, sunglasses. I'm on my way to pick up my license plate and get some accessories from the Honda dealer. We will see you very shortly in Coopersberg, Pennsylvania. Right now I'm in New Jersey. just coming out of Flemington. You can see on my navigation, I am using a navigation. I am unable